All right, guys, I'm back home. I got the home track all set up. It's raining right now, so no playing outside. So we are going to use the Piranha and have some fun. See if we can hit some good lines. Lines I haven't tried yet. Or we're gonna go up here. I cannot get that stuck. Oh, we're slipping off already. Hard part is I'm getting hung up on that rock with that axle. Bad driving on my part. So let's see if we can get up this. Should. There we go. Good traction. Got the Endura pin tires with the D19 wheels, the gold wheels. These are really nice wheels. I do have the Endura inserts coming for the wheels, so hopefully that'll help with some traction. Get rid of the foam inserts. Might slip. There we go. Get some traction there. Then we'll head up the mountain. Hopefully without flipping and not using reverse. Oh, I think I might be able to get that tire in that. No, there. Crash. All right. Well, we'll go a different way. We'll go up this way. I really like this way. This little section came out pretty nice for me. Come on, let's not lose it. I like the pin tires, but I honestly like the Klingon better, guys. I think I get a better grip. I have that on one of my other builds, my Bug 30 chassis. And people have asked me about this. Oh, that stunk. Should have given it more gas. The Piranha, you can't put a body on it. It's not going to fit. Oh. Take two. Turn that around. We'll go in the tunnel. Go over some real rocks. I gotta build these rocks up a little. And then we're gonna go over here and go up. And there's my neon sign I made, Anderson RC. If you guys are in North Carolina, there it is, Thomasville, North Carolina. Hit up Anderson RC. Those Matt and Wes, the owners, are absolutely the best. Check them out, guys, if you're ever in North Carolina. All right. We're not going to go the sissy way. Let's see if we can get up this. I think we can. And we did. All right. Good, good, good. Go through the little mud pit. And you can take this wood right here, and that's usually for more of my stock SEXs. But since this thing's fully modified, we're going to take a different route. That left rear should slide up, slide down a little bit, and then there it is. And then no problem getting up this. Just like that, guys. All right, we're gonna go down the hill. Hopefully we don't tip over. And with this one and my other custom, I need to put rubber bands on it. I always keep forgetting to keep the front end down. Go up this steep section. And we did. Oh, bottomed out. Spoke too soon. Got to get off that little section. There we go. This I'm probably going to flip. There we go. And we'll show you some art. Whoop, tree in the way. Whoop, tree. Show some articulation. Made this so you can see how the suspension works really well. And then we'll go back up this. And then we'll go up this part. Well, hitting it all today, guys. The whole track. Getting a good workout in. Hopefully we don't flip. And another section we haven't hit up yet. Right here. This truck is not the hardest. Oh, pull. I say that, but look at, made a mistake. There we go. And we're gonna go up the hill again. And back over. We're going to hit one more section and then we're going to call it a day. All right, we're going to hit a little gap here. There we go. And then we haven't gone up this. Go back down like that, and then one of my favorite ending sections to do is this right here. Such a good line, guys, such a good line. Try not to, and then Without flipping, you try not to use the wood at all. Slide that tire. Just work it in. I don't think I'm gonna get this right now. Feel like it's gonna fall, but oh, almost. And one last section, we'll go up the wood. This is here for a reason. You can get up it. Some can, not all. Oh, I'm losing it. I glued this down and it's starting to wear out. All right, guys, there's the Piranha. Hope you liked the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.